wishing that his eyes would fall on me. I'd never been that girl before, the one whose looks could attract the alpha male at the cool fraternity. The biggest party of the year as a college freshman was not where I expected myself to be seen. Always the history nerd, I spent most of my nights watching shows about medieval kings and queens. But the rules were different now. They like a girl with a brain. I'd risen up the food chain. I let his eyes scan my figure, taking in my girth. He measured my worth, and I felt so powerful. So I let him have his way with me, deceiving myself that I was being set free. I enjoyed being desired, thought he was taking me higher, shedding off my old identity. After all, what is one picked flower when I thought I was the one with all the power? I started noticing my looks, wearing makeup to class, as a fresh new femme fatale awoke in me. I learned to work every glance, I let my curves do their dance, drawing eyes to the fire stoked in me. I enjoyed the attention, more guys than I could mention smiled when they walked past instead of passing me by. Feelings rose within me with nagging intensity, longing, pride, and vanity. I was captive to their high. Still I only wanted him. My heart was like a searchlight, searching through the dark night. But when I saw him again, he acted like we'd never met. I was some cheap thrill he could forget, and he seemed so powerful because I let him have his way with me. Pathetic spell. School is just something I have to do. What at once inspired me now only bores and tires me. But wait, what's this? My world history textbook just sitting on my bed, open to a picture of my favorite nation head. Smiling at me, reminding me she treasured it, and she guarded it. She forsook temptation to protect what was hers. What have I done? Nothing was won. And letting one man tear my walls down so we could have some fun, I'll take it back.